So today we are diving into the truly delicious and comforting dish, creamy coconut chicken curry. This recipe is packed with flavor and incredibly easy to make, even for the beginner cooks. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process, making sure you have everything you need to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg chicken, cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 5 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 3 bay leaves, 2 onions chopped, and then fry the onion until nice and soft. Then add 2 green chilies chopped, 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the marinated chicken and fry the chicken for about 10 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and fry the masalas with the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Add 3 fresh tomato puree. I've just blended 3 tomatoes into smooth puree. Then add 1 cup coconut milk, 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix, and then add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and give it a nice mix. And then cover it and cook it until the oil separates. Then give it a nice mix and boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a truly delicious and comforting creamy coconut chicken curry. These tender chicken, rich coconut milk sauce and aromatic spices comes together to create a dish that's simply irresistible. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.